Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to introduce today's presentation. We're going to explore the Audio-Video Training Manual, a comprehensive guide designed to empower global learners through digital storytelling. This training, brought to you by ADollarClass, aims to enhance your skills and understanding in this innovative field. Over the course of this session, we'll cover the key components of the manual, including best practices, practical tips, and how to effectively use digital storytelling to engage learners worldwide. I'm glad you're here, so let's get started. Welcome to the role overview. As an audio-video editor intern, your main responsibility will be helping us transform raw media into engaging content. This means taking footage, audio, and other media, and editing them into polished, compelling stories. Your work will play a key role in amplifying ADollarClass's mission, making sure our message reaches and resonates with our audience. It's a great opportunity to develop your editing skills while contributing to something meaningful. Throughout this internship, you'll see how your creative talents can make a real impact by turning simple media into powerful tools for communication. Let's take a closer look at the internship summary. First, you'll be editing video and audio content that focuses on education, mentorship, and outreach efforts. This is a fantastic way to develop your technical skills while also making a real difference in those areas. Next, you'll have the opportunity to build your creative portfolio. Not only are you gaining experience, but you're also contributing to a global impact, which can be incredibly rewarding and motivating. Finally, you'll gain practical editing experience across different platforms. This means you'll become versatile and adaptable, ready to handle various types of media projects. Overall, this internship is designed to enhance your skills, expand your portfolio, and connect your work to broader, meaningful initiatives. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key responsibilities involved in this role. First, editing video and audio recordings is fundamental. This includes working with interviews, coverage of events, and podcasts. The goal is to ensure everything flows smoothly and sounds professional. Next, adding subtitles, motion graphics, and branding elements helps make the content more engaging and accessible. Subtitles are especially important for reaching wider audiences, while motion graphics can emphasize key points and keep viewers interested. Incorporating branding ensures our content maintains a consistent identity. Finally, applying transitions and visual enhancements plays a big role in making the final product polished and visually appealing. Thoughtful transitions guide the viewer seamlessly from one scene to another, creating a cohesive viewing experience. All these elements combined help us deliver high-quality content that aligns with our overall communication goals. Now, let's talk about some of the other key responsibilities in our workflow. First up is enhancing audio quality. This involves noise reduction, equalization, and other techniques to make sure our sound is clear and professional. Good audio is crucial because it keeps our audience engaged and makes our message more impactful. Next, we need to clip content for reels, highlights, and promos. This is where we select the most engaging or important parts of our footage to create short, compelling snippets that grab attention on social media and other platforms. It's about showcasing the best moments efficiently. Finally, organizing and archiving project files might not be glamorous, but it's essential. Having a well-structured archive means we can easily find and manage our files later, saving time and reducing frustration down the line. All these tasks are vital because they contribute to the overall quality and efficiency of our production process. By focusing on these responsibilities, we ensure that our content not only looks and sounds great, but is also easy to manage and distribute. Let's talk about collaboration and teamwork. Working effectively across different departments is essential. We need to collaborate closely with marketing, events, and education teams to ensure everyone is aligned and working towards common goals. Meeting content deadlines collaboratively is also crucial. It keeps the project on track and demonstrates our ability to work well as a team. Sharing ideas for content format and delivery is another key aspect. By exchanging ideas openly, we can find innovative ways to engage our audience and improve our overall strategy. When we work together smoothly, it not only boosts the quality of our content, but also reinforces the overall theme of teamwork and unity that drives our success. Vamos falar sobre as habilidades e ferramentas essenciais para o nosso trabalho de produção de vídeos. Primeiro, a edição de vídeo. Para isso, podemos usar softwares como Adobe Premiere ou Final Cut Pro, que são bastante populares e oferecem recursos avançados. E acute importante dominar essas ferramentas para criar vídeos profissionais e envolventes. Depois, temos a edição de áudio. Programas como Audacity ou Adobe Audition são ótimas opções. Uma boa edição de áudio faz toda a diferença na qualidade final do vídeo, garantindo que o som esteja claro e bem sincronizado. Também não podemos esquecer das ferramentas de legendas e gráficos. Elas ajudam a tornar o conteúdo mais acessível e visualmente atrativo, facilitando a compreensão do público. Outro ponto importante e acute a organização dos arquivos e o uso de plataformas de armazenamento na nuvem. Manter tudo bem organizado e acessível evita perdas de trabalho e agiliza o processo de edição. Essas habilidades e ferramentas estão diretamente conectadas ao tema geral de produção, eficiente e de alta qualidade. Quanto mais familiarizado estiver com elas, mais fluido será o seu trabalho e melhor será o resultado final. When it comes to style and brand guidelines, maintaining consistency with the ADollarClass branding is absolutely essential. This means that every piece of communication, whether it's a presentation, a flyer, or digital content, should reflect our brand's identity clearly and uniformly. We want our audience to instantly recognize us, so consistency is key. It's also important to ensure that our messaging is clear, inclusive, and professional. Clarity helps us avoid misunderstandings, inclusiveness shows respect and openness to everyone, and professionalism builds trust and credibility with our audience. These elements together reinforce our brand's integrity. Additionally, we need to pay close attention to our tone, color schemes, and logo usage standards. Following the right tone ensures our message feels right for our audience, engaging yet respectful. Using the correct colors helps us stay visually consistent, and proper logo placement maintains our brand's visual integrity. Overall, these guidelines are about making sure that everything we produce not only looks good, but also aligns with our brand values and helps us present a cohesive and professional image at all times. Let's talk about creative input and innovation. This is all about proposing new formats and storytelling methods to keep our content fresh and engaging. It's important to think outside the box and find ways to present information that captivates our audience. We also need to adapt our content to meet the specific needs of our audience and stay aligned with current platform trends. That means understanding what formats perform best where and tailoring our messaging accordingly. Additionally, staying updated on multimedia best practices is crucial. This ensures we're using the most effective tools and techniques to enhance our stories. When we combine these elements, we can create more compelling, relevant, and innovative content that resonates across different platforms and audiences. Let's talk about performance expectations. First, timely completion of tasks is crucial. It helps keep projects on track and ensures everyone can rely on each other. Next, we emphasize the importance of high attention to detail and maintaining excellent audio and visual quality. This really impacts how professional and polished our work appears. And finally, regular feedback and efforts to improve are key. They create a cycle of continuous growth and help us refine our skills over time. Keeping these expectations in mind ties back to our overall goal of delivering top-notch work efficiently and consistently. Final notes. Your work truly brings our learning mission to life. I want to take a moment to thank each of you for your dedication and creativity. It's because of your efforts that we can inspire and educate our global community. Remember, every idea you share and every lesson you create helps make learning more accessible and engaging. So, keep using your creative skills to make a difference. Together, we're fostering a world where knowledge connects us all. Thank you for being part of this important journey.